Fix file system error, -1073545193, in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Solution 1. Fix corrupted system files. Use command prompt commands to repair system file corruption. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. Solution 2. Install Windows updates. Solution 3. Run Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. Solution. Run a malware scan. It is possible that a malware infection may be the cause of the file system error, -1073545193. It is important to run a comprehensive security scan to rule out this possibility and ensure that the computer is not infected. Once the scan is complete, you will be informed of any detected threats, and you can choose to quarantine or remove them. If no threats are found, Microsoft Defender Antivirus will inform you that your device is secure. Solution 5. Use System Restore. System Restore is a feature in Microsoft Windows that allows users to revert their computer's state to a previous point in time. This can be helpful if you have made changes to your system that are causing problems. Select the one you want, ideally before the issue started occurring, and go ahead with the process.